Alright, thank you very much for watching this video, and again, this is your Sergio, and welcome back to Agricole PH. And again, this is the item number 5, and what I'm going to do is to again discuss to you guys on how to get the correct answer to this question. So I get this question from the UPLB booklet. These are some of the questions on the computations regarding on the applications of pesticides. Alright, so now let's continue the discussion regarding on Furadan 3G. And number 5 question states that at the application rate of 33.3 kg Furadan 3G per hectare, how much would be applied per plant if there were 75,000 plants in the 15,000 square meter farm? So parang ano siya, no? Parang siyang crop science, no? Just talking about, ang tinatanong dito kung this question po, ina-explore niya kung how much po ng Furadan 3G is applied per individual plant o bawat isa plants. So now let's go ahead and check what are the given in this situation. So may given siyang application rate of 33.3 kg Furadan 3G per hectare, kilogram per hectare yon. And also yung farm size po is 15,000 square meter. So that's equivalent na po yan ng 1.5 hectares, as what I have said doon sa aking previous video. And we have the number of plants, which is 75,000 plants. Now, first step that you are going to do is to get the total amount of Furadan 3G that is being used. Okay, so this is the first step that you are going to get. So we have 33.3 kilogram, this one here, 3G yan, which is kilogram per hectare. Okay, ita times lang natin siya sa 1.5 na hectares. So that will give you, so cancel out, so that will give you kilograms. So 33.3 times 1.5, and that will give you 49.95 kilogram. Okay, so next we are going to go, what we're going to do is to convert kilogram to grams. Okay, because we have kilogram here, so we are going to convert it to grams. And we already knew that in 1 kilogram there is about 1,000 grams. Okay, now let's go ahead and compute it. So we have 49.95 kilogram. So the times natin siya here. So we need to get the kilogram, the grams, right? So 1,000 grams is equivalent to 1 kilograms. So that we're going to cancel it out. So ita times natin 49.95 kilograms times 1,000, and that will give you 49,950 grams. Okay, now is this the correct answer? Not yet. Okay, now we need to get the amount per plant. Okay, we need to get the amount per plant kasi yun ang hinihingi amount per plant. So we are going to get we're going to use 49,950 grams. Okay, 49,950 grams. I-divide lang natin siya sa 75,000 na plants kasi yun ang binigay na situation, right, in this given on the situation. So 75,000, and that will give you 0.666 grams. So meaning each of the plant, okay, meron siyang 0.666 na kilogram Furadan. Okay, so if you're going to check here on the choices, so we have 0.67, 1.07, 1.6, and 0.5, 7.5. So wala namang 0.67, we're going to round it off, rounded to two decimal places. So this one is equivalent to 0.67 because it's higher than 5, so that's equivalent to 7 grams. So we have 0.67 grams. So the correct answer is letter B. So this is how we're going to answer this kind of question. And again, 0.66 or 0.67 grams per plant. So we rounded off, kaya naging 67 siya. So itong question na to, it really tests your ability po to relate a field level application po of individual plant level dosage. So it is useful in precision agriculture kasi kinokorek natin. We are getting the correct dosage to avoid under or over applications in the plants. And it also emphasizes po yung accurate chemical distribution in dense planting scenarios kasi we do not know how toxicity the chemical is, especially if Furadan is in the category 3. So we need to get the correct application number for this situation. So the correct answer for that is letter B, 0.67 grams. So that's how you're going to answer it. And again, thank you very much everyone for watching. If you like this video, you can click the subscribe and hit the notification bell, and do not forget also to share this video to your colleagues, friends, classmates, so that they will know how to answer this certain problem. Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching, and see you on the next video.